reception, the general store, some Starbucks coffee, and that is our room building is just over there. Shall we hop in?
Let's.
Just spotted a bit of a vlogging celebrity.
That's the back. That's the back of Sam Forgot.
Is it Sam Forgot?
Yeah, that's what her name is.
I'm too nervous to go over and say hi.
Oi.
Like, oi, watch your videos. Came into Starbucks for the look. Oh, here's the Starbucks mug. Cute. They actually have loads. Oh, there's the France ones up. Our cafes! Get our cafes! Oh, let's go for a little break to our room. We're actually so close. This is our building, and that's the coffee and reception there.
So
Lovely.
Cool. Yeah.
And then you just wander down there if you want to walk to the park, or you just head back up there if you want to get the bus.
So good.
So handy. We clicked the room close to amenities, which is...
And we'll do a room tour now, because we filmed a room tour. So we'll transition now into a room tour. We'll take you back to a time where my makeup was falling off me and I was sleep deprived.
These little sheriff's bag and a little horseshoe.
Horseshoe.
Cute. Oh, we got the 30th ones.
And it has like a little thing to say that we're going to the party. Welcome to our room tour. we film it now before we make a total mess of it. So this is the hallway, and you come in, and then they have the kind of like open wardrobe thing. I already bought a t-shirt. And then we'll do the bathroom. In the bathroom, it's all Woody themed. So we're in Billy the Kid. We're in Hotel Cheyenne, and we're in the
building is
called Billy the Kid.
It's really close
and we're
to all
upstairs, and it's right across from the reception.
So handy.
Yeah. So then this is the room. This is the bathroom, and it's all kind of like.
Oh, I just noticed these have these are little.
Stop it! Oh, they really go all out. And then look at these. It has a bath, some like horseshoe curtains, and then look at these. They're like Toy Story.
Oh, they're
These
cute.
are coming home
What
with
are they
me.
actually?
This is a conditioner, and this is a shampoo. Ooh.
Oh.
And then there's a shower gel. Oh, that's a shampoo. No. A shampoo and shower wash.
Okay.
And this is it.
The
Old school
hair dryer could do with an upgrade there
Wow,
now.
it looks
But
like it's a vacuum now more
it
than
wouldn't
a
be up to my
hair dryer.
standards of a hair dryer now.
No. But there
Sure.
is
Grand.
there's a good safe if you were into safes. I
Yeah.
always have a fear of locking something in there, so I don't know, I wouldn't trust myself. And then this is the room. It's all Woody, Jessie and Bullseye, like Woody's Roundup. Oh my god, look at the WR for Woody's Roundup.
Oh, very nice.
Woody's Roundup. Do. Just
The-
see, she's a cowgirl. You'll lay.
It just breaks into song there.
He's a very best. He's the rootless cowboy in the wild, wild west. What is Roundup? And this is there's a snake in my boot lamp.
Oh, that's cute.
And then look how cute this is. They have like.
Oh, introduce
And they
us.
have like the, I won't put
Cute.
it on because we'll get copyrighted, but it's like the
Of music.
Avengers music. Like,
Oh yeah, look at them go. Better not
And
put
then
too much on.
we got a little
What is
postcard
that?
we can bring with
Oh,
us.
I didn't
Isn't
see that.
So cute.
It's cute.
A little
Nice.
thing. And some more little things
Very
in
good.
French that we don't know. But yeah, that's it. And there's like loads of drawers.
Oh yeah. And then
And
let
there's
me
like
see.
a little bedside.
What can we see
thing.
actually?
And then-
Oh, we're across from the bank. What did we say was in the bank?
I don't know.
So there's the bank and the general
Oh,
store.
Jesus,
Oh.
you're after hitting the thing.
Sorry.
The bank is actually Starbucks.
Oh, it is. And the general
Yeah.
store. And that's the food place over there. And
And
reception.
then reception, I think, is that.
So yeah, we're really close.
Really close. And then the bus is just around the corner.
Yeah, you can see a little bit of that pumpkin in the background.
Yeah.
Oh, you might not.
It's really nice. Really nice. Really like that.
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, look at the detail on this. My first horse stories. Lasso Law. River Rescue. Ride the. Oh my God! I was like, "What's that?" That's you. Ride like the wind. One-eyed Bart. Hey, howdy, hey. Bell Bottom House. The
That's cute.
Enchilada Brothers. You've got a friend in me. Oh, and then Woody's last roundup. Oh, that is so cute.
That is cute.
That is so cute.
So nice.
It's all real like Woody themed.
Mm.
I brought my Woody with me so we can take cute pictures in the Woody room.
Let's go down and bring up our cases.
Yeah.
Cool.
If there's any
Yeah.
place to bring Woody. Yeah.
We'll have a look around outside as well.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh look, there's a fan, but
Oh yeah.
and like this is like
That
his
might be
shirt.
for show. Is that for show?
I don't know. I'd say it's for sure.
I think that's
And
for
this
show.
is like his shirt.
They're cute curtains.
Really cute. Oh, it's just really well themed. Like
It is
really
nice.
well themed.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah.
So this is what you're getting now if you book into this room.
It's really lovely.
And these are all the buildings then that you can stay in. And there's the saloon, bar, and cafe for some dinner. Have a little wander down here.
So nice here.
It is so nice, isn't it?
So nice. I think the weather makes it as well, like it's real.
Yeah, this
sunshine. I swear it was the middle of summer, the weather we're getting here.
It
An Irish
actually-
summer, this is the
yeah.
Their autumn is their like
I
summer.
I love this hotel. I actually think it gets a bad rep. Some people don't like it.
I
And
love it.
It's not. It comes off. It doesn't come. It's not as good in the vlogs. What am I trying to say? The vlogs don't
do not do it
Thanks.
justice. Because when
Yeah.
I watched the vlogs, I was like, oh, I don't want to stay in Hotel Cheyenne. And then Gary C, that's always with Adam Hatton's vlogs, absolutely loves the place. And I
Yeah.
can tell why. Like, I love
Yeah.
it here. It's
Yeah.
so nice. Yeah.
Gary's always right. He
Gary's
knows what
always
he's
right.
talking about.